Come here, buddy. Berlioz. Come here, bud. Come on.
Just so you know, Mom, I am about to do something that is very, very big, very important. When you hear about it, you're going to be very proud.
So I'm trying to water these plants, but I can't because I got a dog that won't leave me alone long enough to do this.
Who's that little piggy? Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? What in the dog witchcraft Baki is going on here?
هات دول هات اللحمة هات
What'd you find back there, kitty? Ooh. What? No touch the belly?